Hey students, Armando here, and welcome to topic 4. This is your last week of your intro to graduate studies, and you have an amazing journey ahead. So congratulations for reaching this far. And before you left my class, I wanted to give you one more bonus video to walk you through how your final paper should look like. You're also going to get a template that you can review as well. So again, please remember that these videos are for educational purposes only. You should not be copying any content that's within this paper. It's to show you how your paper should be formatted and to give you some ideas, since pretty much everyone is kind of using the same framework, but obviously you are applying it to the industry that you chose earlier in the course. So a couple things is, number one is take a look at this title page. This is an ideal, perfect APA title page. So you can see that you've got the page number in the upper right-hand corner. That's all you need. You can see the proper spacing. You can see the title right here, nice, bolded, centered. And then, of course, you would have your name, the college name, the course, my name, and then the date. So this is a perfect title page, and this is how your title page should look. If it doesn't look like this, you will probably lose some points for it. Okay, let's keep it moving forward. Okay, so again, take a look at how this sample student started off kind of a very nice introduction. You can see the consistency with the APA headers, which are these right here, okay, in bold and black, and they're centered. So level 1 headers are always centered on your page. You can still see that you've got the page number in the upper right-hand corner. And then you can see here that you've got the proper indentation to the right. And then you can see here how everything else is on a left-hand margin. So as you look at the structure of this paper, this is how your paper should look with your own content. Okay, you can see here in a good example how you have to use in-text citations, and you have to give credit to the research in the body of every content area that you write. Not just for this class, but for every class moving forward, you have to get in the practice that in every paragraph you need to cite, so there's no one that can claim types of plagiarism for not citing information. So again, take a look at the structure as we move over into page 3. Again, page number in the upper right-hand corner as well. You can see the formatting. You can see the citing is consistent throughout the paper. This is how your paper should look like. We move down into the next section. Again, you can see here, right, a nice bolded, centered APA header. That's what you should have. Again, more content moving through. You can see the consistency in the citing along the way, which is perfect. No issues with claims of plagiarism. You're giving credit to where you did your research from. You're giving credit to the readings, and that's what you need to do in every college writing assignment. You have another content area there by an APA header. Again, taking a look at the structure of the assignment. And again, as we move forward towards the end, you always want to finish your paper kind of a conclusion, right? This is your wrap up. This goes all the way back to academic writing in high school, right? You want to have an intro, you want to have the body, and then you want to finish strong with a conclusion, kind of putting it all together. And then at the end here, I want to show you a proper APA cited reference page. You can see the word references is bold, centered on your paper. You can see that the references are in alphabetical order. You can see that the alignment starts on the left-hand side, and then you can see that any other lines other than one line on your references, which most are going to have more than one line, lines 2 and beyond are indented approximately 6 spaces over. You can see the beautiful double spaced throughout. So if you look at the formatting of this reference page, this is the way your reference page should look like. If your reference page does not look like this formatted, you are going to lose some points for not having a properly formatted APA reference page. Okay? And so that wraps up this assignment here. So again, I hope that this gave you a little clarity, if anything else, on the proper formatting, so you really get that down as you move deeper into your graduate journey. Okay? If you've got some value on this video so that other students can see this, hit the thumbs up, the like button for me on this video. I greatly appreciate it. And also, I will be putting out a lot more videos on how to use AI ethically to help you with your upcoming courses. They can even help you on your discussion questions. So if that's something that interests you, you definitely want to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you can see those videos directly connected with you, and you'll be notified once those videos are published. You can also go down to the link below, and if you want to subscribe for my new newsletter that will cover weekly tips, writing tips, and motivational tips to get you through life and school, you can definitely do that below in the link in the video description. Good luck on the rest of your journey. If you ever need to ask me a question or you're stuck, feel free to email me as well, even if I'm not one of your instructors, and maybe I'll see you in one of my future courses down the road. So, lopes up.